Let's talk about the 3 zodiac signs that naturally have money magnet energy. First up is Taurus. They don't hustle, they attract. They understand value and they become valuable. Next, there's Capricorn. Capricorns don't just dream about success, they actually build it. They are strategic and consistent and are here for the long-term win, not quick hits. And then there's Scorpio. Scorpio energy, it's magnetic and powerful, but most people don't realize how connected it is to wealth. They know how to turn power into profit. What people don't realize is that astrology isn't just about your sun sign. Your birth chart actually shows how you handle money, where you block it, and how to shift your mindset. I'm Alice, host of Following Journeys, an astrology-based series on YouTube. If you're interested in your personal patterns, get your free birth chart in the pinned comment below and talk to Alice AI, the AI astrologer version of me, trained on everything I know about astrology.